All right, so today's the day. Got to get my sway bar links replaced. So I ended up going out and getting Flennor from Germany. For some reason, I haven't had the best experience lately with the MOOG products, unfortunately. Generally, they're supposed to be really good, but lately, there's something's up with the quality. So decided I'd move on and try something different. So these are actually made in Germany, and even without putting them on the car, there is a pretty big difference. The construction and materials is a lot better. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So as I was saying, I got Flennor from Germany instead of Moog, and they actually come with these little these boot things, boot covers on them. The construction's quite good actually. It's actually a metal backing. It's not that plastic. Apparently, it has I think it's a gusher bearing or something inside. I'm not sure. I can't remember the exact specs, but it is forged. It's one piece, and camera's not quite focusing. Come on, focus on the right thing here. Come on. It's not gonna focus on the right thing. There we go. All right, so come on. There we go. Yeah, I mean that's pretty much it. Then just get this tossed onto the car, and hopefully all the clanging and banging and everything should be done.
The nicest thing about pulling into a shop is when the door's open and waiting for you to come on in because you made an appointment. And there we are on the hoist, just waiting to get things going. And someone on the Saab group was asking about the location of all the subframe bushings, so I decided to take some photos of that. And those are the front middle subframe bushings. I got the poly bushings put on there. And where that cross brace is where the front rearward bushings are.
All right, well, got the oh man, got the stabilizer links put on, and no more banging, clanging, nothing like that. Even with crosswinds, car's completely and utterly stable. It doesn't sway from side to side. Steering's a lot more direct. Perfect. I mean, it's as it should be with brand new end links. The only thing now is a matter of how long will these end links actually last, and time will only tell. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, end links can make the whole difference. That's it.
Quick, efficient, and customer focused. That's John's Auto. Are you a semi-do-it-yourselfer and you have your own parts? Bring them by and John's Auto will have them installed for you. Obviously the warranty's with the original purchasing place that you got the parts from, but other than that, John's Auto won't ask any questions. They'll throw on the parts for you, no problem. So yeah, I've never had a bad experience over at John's Auto. It's the #1 place in Peterborough to bring your car and make sure the work is done properly, efficiently, and right the first time.